We are discussing D flip-flop with preset and clear inputs SN5474, SN7474. Assalamu alaikum wa rahmatullahi wa barakatuh. I am your host Muhammad Ashraf and I welcome you on my YouTube channel. It is TTL family. When we say TTL, that means its power supply rating is 5 volt, 4.75 to 5.25, nominal working voltage 5.0 volt. Pin number 14 VCC, that are positive supply voltage. Pin number 7 ground. This IC is 2 channel, 1 section, 2 section. Power supply pins are common. Pin number 4 preset. Pin number 1 clear. These are 2 additional inputs in this D flip-flop. The working of this IC is now conditioned with these 2 inputs. When these 2 parameters will allow to perform D flip-flop function, that time it will behave as a D flip-flop. Otherwise, these 2 inputs will be used to set or reset the outputs. I am demonstrating one section. The second section is identical. Same here. Pin 2 data, pin 12 data, pin 3 clock, pin 11 clock, pin 4 preset, pin 10 reset in second channel, pin 1 clear, pin 13 clear, 5 Q output, 9 Q output, 6 Q bar, 8 Q bar. Let's check this section. This pin is pin number 5. That means it is Q output. And this is Q bar output. Both outputs are true complement to each other. If this is high, this will low. If this is high, this is low. Preset, clear, clock, D, and here are Q and Q bar. These are outputs. First condition, if preset low, clear high, these don't care, clock and D input. Preset low, preset is pin number 1, pin number 1 low, and pin number 4 high, pin 1, pin 4, clock, 3 number pin, 2 number pin, pin number 5, pin number 6. This time Q low, this is high. Condition preset low, clear high, this is reset condition. Now we will reverse these 2 inputs. Pin 1 high, pin 4 low, high, low. These don't care. These 2 inputs no matter. That time it is in set condition. High, low. If both inputs are high, pin 4 high, pin 1 high, the same. This condition. If both inputs are low, pin 1 and pin 4 are low, undetermined. So it is not allowed condition. Now, if both inputs are high, that are 1 and 4, high, high. D input is high. D is at pin number 2. This is pin number 2. If D high and clock, that is pin number 3. D high, clock input. This time clock is low. low to high, that is rising edge. So it is positive edge triggered. That means the clock pulse is low. When it will become high, that time this data that is at deep end, either it is high or logic low, logic 1 5 volt or logic low 0 volt, that will be transferred in the output at the Q output. This time clock low, deep end is high, but output Q low, Q bar high. When I removed clock pulse from 0 level, it is floating, that means it is high, the data is transferred. Now if clock is returned back to low, it is latched. If we remove deep in to low, it is latched. This is latch function. Once it will transfer data at this position, it will not change data until clock will change again. Now D is low, clock is low, previous condition, high, high. Now again clock will change. Now when clock will change, it will transfer data again. It will update the data. Before this, deep in was high, that was transferred at output. When clock changed from low to high. Now data pin number 2 is low, connected to 0 volt. Yes. Reset position. High. If deep in will change, no change, because clock is still low. So it will take action on rising edge of the clock. In the same way, you can test this section. If this video is informative, give a thumb up. If you have any question, please write in the comments. Thanks for watching. Assalamu alaikum wa rahmatullahi wa barakatuh.